Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x10 Fuel Mavericks with a negative 19 millimeter offset and some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12 ply. Now let's talk about these Mavericks real quick. They are a D538 wheel produced by Fuel. They're offered in every single possible size: 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 24. They're offered in anything from a 6.5 inch wide to a 14 inch wide wheel. So no matter how you want to run this wheel, you can get this wheel. Also, this wheel is by far the most popular wheel on the market. So dealers, if you're looking for a wheel, this is a great wheel to throw on your vehicles. Individuals, if you're looking for a wheel for your personal car, this is a great wheel. Everybody loves them. You're not going to get a hard time at all. I cannot say anything bad about this wheel. It is just a very clean, simple, classy design, and you've got a good little lip with this negative offset on a 20x10. These 33 inch Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires, they are the best bang for your buck tire by far, hands down, no doubt about it, especially since it's a 12 ply. They take anywhere from, they're very sporadic with how much weight they want. They go anywhere from 1/2 ounce to 8 ounces. We always throw the heaviest ones on the back and the lightest ones on the front. Besides that, I enjoy how they handle, how loud they are, and just how they look. They're a great looking tire. This mud terrain is closer to a hybrid than a mud terrain, but I'm okay with it. It's aggressive, but it rides great. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, fender flares, running boards, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.